Good morning. Welcome back to the tavern. It is Sunday, September 6th, and it's another lovely day here for the most part, I guess. It's actually quite dreary and foggy early this morning. Decided to let myself sleep in a little bit instead of coming out in the heavy fog. So, didn't do a whole lot yesterday. Did a little work around the stairs for the deck. We had to put in another concrete slab. It was one of those days, man, you know, where you do a couple of things and you lounge around, and that's pretty much what it was for me. It was a long day. It's like we're coming to the tail end of summer here, waiting for the crops to finish producing so we can get that hurry up and wait. I guess it's like building your energy for the momentum that is to come. Although I do have to harvest a whole bunch of tomatoes and stuff today to get everything ready. Gonna hopefully make myself some tomato sauce this week and see how that goes. I'll make an effort to record that process for me because it'll be the first time I've ever done that, you know. Parboil, remove the skins from tomatoes, cut out the core, crush, you know, the usual. I've never done it, so this will be interesting for me. It'll be an interesting thing to do, and because I don't have a lot of red tomatoes, but I've got yellow tomatoes and orange tomatoes, and I don't have your standard red tomatoes ripe. It'll be some interesting colored sauce, which will make for interesting colored spaghetti and other uses I put the sauce to. So, it is going to be one of those mornings where not a whole lot gets done except harvesting. Got to head back down south this morning to go back to the land of the working in the little city. But that's life. You can't spend all your time out here unless you're one of the fortunate few who made the right decisions and got themselves their own little homestead, and so they could spend all their time doing this. Maybe one day soon, that's where I'll be. Anyway, that's all I've got for you. We will get the Oasis opened and get started. First, right next to me here, you can't see it very well on the screen, but it's a beautiful spider web. We'll get a nice up-close shot of that. Freaking deer got in again. Got prints right through here. Came through here. He cropped my beans, which were ready for harvesting yesterday. And came through here. Cropped the strawberries again. They really like strawberries. It looks like it left here, so I got to do something about this fence line. Got one print there. It looks like it dug right into the ground, indicating a burst of energy. So I think it went up and over there. But how the hell did it get in? It must have come in through this. Where the hell? Oh, wait a sec. Print. Right here. Crema. Curve. It's not coming in over here, that's for damn sure. Let's see. Pretty sure it didn't come in over here. Oh, look, a hummingbird sitting there on the thing. Not often you see a hummingbird standing still. There he is. Oh, off he goes. Nothing on this side. Oh, yeah, there we go, right there. Print. Wherever it jumps over, it's got to leave some marks. Beginning to think it might be coming from over there. Don't see anything. Everything is so well packed, it's hard to tell. But it's always on this side where it walks through everything. Here. Son of a bitch. Didn't touch this one. Didn't touch this one. So where the hell? I made sure that was locked yesterday. It's got to be this right here. Gotta be. Left here, from here. There. Came in over here.